In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy games on Steam. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you can do this on the Steam application or the website as well. But once you're on Steam and you're logged in and everything, you're going to see basically the store page, which is going to be the default thing that you're going to be on. So over here, you're going to see like discounts and events because Steam like to push out the games first that are on discount or, featured games or anything like that. But then you can scroll through and find anything that you really want. So there's obviously going to be the different genres that you could go ahead and browse through as well. So let's say if I wanted something that was like racing specific, all you got to do is go ahead and click on it, find whatever you want to get. So for example, let's just say I wanted to go ahead and buy Forza Motorsport, Sonic Crossworlds, or anything like that. All I got to do is click on whichever game I'm looking for. Then there's some games that will offer a demo like this one, which you can play for free. And all you want to do is once you find whatever game, select the edition by pressing add to cart. Then it's going to say view my cart, and then you can continue to payment. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.